Welcome back, racing fans, and welcome back in Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. This is the lineup, and we're gonna race to each other. Oops, sorry, because I heard about it. Let's start the race. And now, our first matchup. Buns of Steel versus Tiger Shark. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Buns of Steel wins. Anybody want some burgers? Shoo! Next up is All Fried Up versus One Bad Scoop. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh wait, I think All Fried Up loses. I think this is a little thing. Because I think it's One Bad Scoop. It's okay, you can win next time. Okay. Sorry, you can win next time. Okay. I scooped him out of here. Next up is Demo Derby versus Carbinator. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, it looks like landed, that counts. Carbinator wins. Haha. Okay, I'm gonna get some juice delivered. Oh wait, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to beat Demo Derby up here. Okay, and then the last one is Bigfoot versus 5 Alarm. Oh no, my bandage fell. Go big, go Hot Wheels. It looks like wheelie counts. Bigfoot wins. Can't stomp the stomp. Now to the semifinals. It's now round 5. Let's go. Round 5. It's Buns of Steel versus One Bad Scoop. Go big, go Hot Wheels. It looks like One Bad Scoop wins. Everybody wants some ice cream? Round 6. It's Carbinator versus Bigfoot. Go big, go Hot Wheels. It looks like Bigfoot wins. Here comes the crush. Now to the finals. This truck wants to scoop all over the place. Give it up for One Bad Scoop. This guy wants to stomp the place. Give it up for Bigfoot. Go big, go Hot Wheels. And One Bad Scoop wins. Oh yeah, baby, I win. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. For more Hot Wheels videos. And see you guys on the next video.